Hey guys, Happy New Year. Today is New Year's Day, 2017. New year, new me. Well, I'm going to be doing something that I'm probably going to come to regret in the next few minutes. I'm going to be eating one of these things whole on camera because I'm stupid. So, let's go. Where can I dump it out at? I'm just going to dump it out on the table. I have like a little nightstand table. Okay, and this is like from my Uncle Joe and Aunt Carrie. So there's a little message like in it, imprinted in it, so I don't know. Oh my god. I mean, my family already has a strong history of like people having diabetes. If I wasn't already prone to having it, I probably am gonna have it after eating this. And it was one of those 2-packs too. Like I had one of these yesterday too. I don't know how I feel about eating this. I mean, it's not bad. It's just, oh hey, each of these is half a pound. Okay, I think I'm only gonna be eating like half of it because I'm dying. I don't know, all my teeth like fall out of my freaking head. Okay, I'm gonna have one more bite and then I'm gonna say the real point of this video, so. I like all peanut butter. Put it back in the tin. Okay. The real point of this video is to say thank you for anyone who subscribed. I went from having like 2 subscribers to having like 18 or 17 or something. And I just want to say thank you for that. It means a lot. I'm probably gonna be getting more serious about doing the videos. I didn't get a camera for my birthday, or I mean for Christmas. I probably will for my birthday because I'm gonna be buying it myself. But I got a dope helicopter, so I'm probably gonna be recording videos of that thing flying around. But it's getting on like 4 minutes. This is a long overdue video. Sorry that I don't record as much Trash Talk Tuesday on Tuesday. I'm gonna have diabetes from eating that. Like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you later.